In this video, I'm going to show you the Riptide Quart Bottle Organizer. This is a great way to transport the industry standard bottles back to your stop. And you can mount 4 of these onto your Riptide cart, and each one of these is sold separately. And so if you carry a lot of bottles back to your stops, this is a great way to keep them organized on the Riptide SL Cart. And each of these can hold up to 4 Tri-Chlor Tablets, and I recommend putting them in when you get to your stop, and then using them or removing them from your truck before you transport the Riptide to your next stop. But this is a really convenient way to take the Tri-Chlor Tablets back to your stops. And you'll need this special star screwdriver, and if you have the Riptide kit, it should be in there. This is the same one that you use to put the cord holder on the handle. And in case you're wondering, there is a mounting guide that shows you the placement of up to 4 of the bottle holders. So I'm going to go ahead and mount the 2 of these on the front. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wheel off, that way I can get it on here easier. Yeah, let me get the wheel back on. Yeah, let me get the wheel off on this side. I'll repeat the same steps. So putting up to 4 of the Riptide Quart Bottle Holders on is very easy. It's just a little bit time consuming, and I would definitely recommend, if you're ordering a new Riptide and you're ordering the handlebar organizer and the Quart Bottle Holders, to put them on while you're building the Riptide. Okay, I got the last of the 4 bottle holders on. So I have the 4 bottle holders and the handlebar organizer on the Riptide. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.